Hello everyone, this is Neil from Greensun Solar Company. This is our 500 kilowatts solar power system with about 500 kilowatts lithium battery, and which will be delivered to Afghanistan. Before delivery, we will doing the commissioning. This system include solar panel, lithium battery, MPPT controller, and inverter, and ATS cabinet. Now we have done the commissioning, which is successfully. Let us see our lithium battery. Lithium battery total capacity is 480 kilowatts. It is made up of two clusters. Each cluster is made up of 15 battery modules. Each battery module is 16 kilowatts with one controller. Yeah, we can see the front details of the battery module. And let us see the detailed information on the controller screen. Here is the master controller. Two clusters in parallel. Here is the master controller information. You can see here. Okay, now it is discharging. Let's see the second controller. This is the second controller information, and two clusters in parallel. This is the slave battery. And for the how to connect the two cluster battery from the slave battery input to the master battery output. This is a Megarevo 500 kilowatts hybrid inverter, including inverter and PC controller. And it has two cabinets. Each cabinet is 250 kilowatts. So two controllers in parallel, and connected with the 500 kilowatts inverter. And let us see the connector of the PV solar panel input port. Here are the PV panel input port and the output port to the inverter. Let us see this here. PV input port from the controller. Here is the load port and the 3-phase load port, and here is the grid port from the grid input, the load output. Okay, here and the battery input port, positive and negative. And this is the cable from our battery controller. It is used CAN high and CAN low to communicate. Here is the ground port, and you need to connect it with ground when you are in using process. Now let us see some more information on the inverter screens. Here we can see PV, battery, grid, and load information. And now sun is weak, no sunlight. Now so no PV. And we can click here. For the battery, we can see the SOC and the voltage and the amp, so the communication is successful.